Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I take this wig right here and revive it into this wig. So this wig is a old wig. I've had it for about 2 years now, so she's a little dusty and she has a lot of hair products in it. And you guys have been asking me for a while, how do I reapply my wigs, especially when I cut the lace off? I promise you it's really easy, but first we got to get this wig together. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash this wig. It needs to be washed, and this is the product that I'm using. It's by Garnier and it's sulfate free shampoo and conditioner. I will put the info in the description bar down below, so make sure you check the description box. Now we're going to go into my laundry room to go do the washing of the hair. Excuse the bad lighting, the lighting kind of sucks in here, sorry. Now I'm just gonna wet the hair up, and I will tell you right now, this wig has a lot of hairspray, so she's a little bit tangly, and I'm just going through it with some shampoo. And I do not use super cold water. It's basically lukewarm, not too cold, not too hot, and I'm just washing the hair thoroughly, shampooing it. I shampoo it twice because it really needed a lot of washing. It needs a lot of love. Now, as for the hair info, I'm not exactly sure where I got this hair from, but this wig was actually made by me. And I'm gonna go in with my conditioner now and apply the conditioner into the hair and just run it through. I also go in with my comb, so I'm using a big teeth comb to get rid of the tangles. Just comb it through, take your time with it. And you guys, I'm gonna let this conditioner sit in the hair for about an hour, so I'm just gonna let it deep condition to bring her back to life, and then I'm gonna wash it out. Now this is how she's looking. She's clean, she looks great. I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and just start drying the hair. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to use a blow dryer, so we're gonna kind of speed this through. When it comes to my wigs, I don't really use a lot of products, and especially my colored wigs, I do not wash my colored wigs very often because I don't want the color to bleed and fade. Sometimes I don't mind if it bleeds and fade though. It depends if I want the color to be like a lighter pastel shades, but I don't wash those very often. But if you guys want to see a video on how I care for my colored wigs, comment down below and let me know, and I'll definitely upload one of those videos. But I just went in with my flat iron just to straighten the hair, and I used the Ion hair serum, and honey, look at that, she is flowing, stiff wear. God, my singing voice sucks. Next, I'll be going in with my hot comb just to flatten down that wig. You can see it's sitting a little high on the mannequin head. I want it to sit very flat on my head, so I'm gonna go in with the hot comb and just flatten it down. And the hot comb I use, it's by Andis, and I will just link it in the description bar down below. The hairline is looking nice. She looks great. Now I'm going to move on to tinting the lace so it matches my skin perfectly when I apply the wig. I use my foundation, and I don't use a lot, so I apply a little bit of foundation onto my brush and I apply it into the lace, and the wig looks amazing. The hairline looks great. I don't need to tweeze it because I've already tweezed this wig. She's already customized to my head, so she looks great. Now we're going to move on to applying the wig. I'm going to go in with some edge control, and I'm going to apply this to my edges. My braids underneath my wig is raggedy. I do not know how to cornrow to save my life, okay? They're raggedy. So we're just going to move right along, and I'm using a pair of stockings, as you can see. I cut the stockings, and this is going to give me the ball cap method. You can use a wig cap or you can use a stocking. I kind of like the stocking more, but I also don't like ruining stockings all the time to get this method. But as you can see, I cut off the excess part of the stocking. Now I'm going to go in with my Bold Hold liquid gold. I always use this to melt my lace down. I love this product. You can wear this with your wigs as well. It will give you a glueless application. However, you can't really wear your wigs for more than a day. Remember, it is glueless, it's not glue. I also forgot to mention that I applied foundation all over the wig cap just to get it to match my skin better when I apply the wig, so it gives that scalp like look. We're going to be using a new glue today. Actually, it's not really new for me because I used it in my last video, but I actually filmed this video first. So when I filmed this was actually my first time using it. Anyways, I'm gonna apply my wig, and I'm using the Bold Hold Active Burst, and this glue is in collaboration with Alonzo Arnold, also known as I'm Alonzo Arnold on Instagram. And you guys know I already love Bold Hold products. I use their products a lot in my videos, so I was super happy when they reached out to me and asked me if I want to try this glue out. I'm gonna go in with the skin protector first. When you're applying lace glue wigs, you always want to protect your skin from the glue, so apply the skin protector in the areas that I know I'm going to be applying the glue in. Next, I'm going to go in with the glue and apply a thin layer, and you already know I like to apply my wig in small sections first. So apply a thin layer of glue and wait for that glue to dry clear, and then I'm going to go in again and apply another layer of glue. Sometimes you can apply multiple layers, some people apply 7 layers. I just keep it to 2 layers because I know I'm not planning on wearing my wig for a very long time. Now I'm going to go in with the blow dryer on the cool setting and just speed up the process and dry that glue, and then I'm going to pull down the lace. You guys, I don't have to cut off much lace today, so I'm just pulling it down and I'm melting down that lace into my skin. She's already looking good, and I'm going to do the same thing to the sides and apply a layer of glue, wait for that glue to dry clear, and then go in with a second layer. Now I'm going to go in with the scissors and just cut off little extra pieces of lace that I don't need, and I'm using a rat tail comb. A rat tail comb is your best friend when applying your wigs. And you guys, I'll be honest with you, this wig, like I mentioned before, it's 2 years old. I've worn it a lot. So the hair quality itself is great, but the lace, I'm going to replace the lace on this wig. If you guys want to see how I replace the lace on the wig, please comment down below and let me know, and I will definitely film that video for you, because I'm not going to throw this whole entire wig away. We can replace the lace. Anyway, so I went in with my scissors and I cut off the extra lace, and I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm applying thin layers of glue on the other side of my head to melt down the lace, and once the lace is clear, again, we're just going to go ahead and apply her. And then we're going to go in with the blow dryer on the cool setting. Make sure that lace is nice and clear. You don't want to apply the lace when the glue is white. You don't want to do that because you will see that peeping through your lace. It's going to look really messy. It's not going to look good. Trust me, it's happened to me before. And again, I do have a little bit of extra lace on this, so I'm just cutting off all the extra lace that I have. It's not really a lot. And then as for the air part, that part is a part that I really have to go in just to make sure it sticks down nicely. I don't want my wig to be lifting. And this glue, it's a pretty strong hold, so it will hold for, I could keep this wig on for a few days if I wanted to, but again, I don't really like sleeping in wigs very often, so I tend to take them off. But you guys, look at her. She's looking good. She's not melted yet, but she looks melted. And like always, I apply some hair mousse to the hairline of the wig, but I lost that clip. I don't know what happened to it. And I'm just using that extra piece of pantyhose, and I'm just going to tie my hair down and melt it down. You can also use the elastic band. You can also use a scarf. I've done all of that before, and I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb again just to flatten it, make sure she looks really good. And honey, are you seeing that hairline? She is giving scalp. She is melted. She looks great, and this glue, she's not going anywhere. Like, she's sitting. And that is pretty much how I revive my old wig and bring her back to life. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope it was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching. Bye.